Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Tactical Trader. It's Tuesday, September 15th. These are the charts of the day. In no particular order, I'm going to talk about several stocks that either look real good or have potential setups. In the case of China Green Agriculture, a former portfolio position, this stock has gone through a 2-month, or what I call it, a 6-week consolidation with a minor breakout here, the pullback and back into the range. But over the course of the last 6 weeks, similar to what it did in here, and within the confines of a beautiful up channel, with a measured move up towards the $20 range, it certainly looks like today was a significant day. The stock surged $1.02 on increasing volume and got right up to resistance. So we'll see over the next day or two if we can start to move and take this out. If it does, we'll probably challenge the highs around 15, and beyond that, again, that 20 range is a possibility. But certainly, with unbalanced volume holding up very well near the highs for the year, it looks like to me like this could break out and run. Next one is current portfolio position, CTFO. Really like the looks of this pattern. Broke out of this little mini wedge, popped 2-day consolidation, low volume today, inside day, up 11 cents on 135,000. But a breakout above the 9.25 area could send this one surging. So we'll see what happens as we move forward in this one. EDAP, the first wedge that was broken right here on this pop failed at around the 510 range, which is up near a key historical resistance level going back, trust me. For the last 3 days, we've reached 508, 510, and 518, just slightly lower. But we need to break to that 510-20 zone on volume to really get a move, and maybe a big one, as this one has the potential of moving up towards that 8.25 area, which is a huge move. First, we'll be thrilled with a retest of this high up around the 585 area, and if we can get beyond that, then we'll see what happens next. Big move today for low price CVM, which we traded. The channel that was in force appears to be accelerating as the stock exploded out on 66 million shares, although it did give back a chunk of the gain, still up 48% today. And we'll see if we can follow through tomorrow. It's up a little bit in the after hours. Volume is terrific, so are technicals, surging strongly here. Personal favorite, IFON, which appears to be coming out of this consolidation range here, backed off of resistance at that high and this high, right around the 215-20 zone. So we need to get a price volume surge that takes it above that to really get this one to start to accelerate. So the next stock is JAZZ. Jazz is currently in coming out of a flag pattern. It appears right here. Started to move today and then backed up. It's still up 32 cents of 3.1 million shares, an increase in volume. If this thing can start to accelerate, we may see it move quickly up towards that 12 range, and beyond that, something maybe in the low to mid-teens. But it certainly has some nice underlying technicals. Look at the balance and power of money stream, as strong as it can get, as well as the unbalanced volume. Excuse me. MELA, portfolio position. Wanted to point that out because it's coming to the apex of this coil here, and the volume is low. Balance and power and money stream are excellent, so is unbalanced volume. If it breaks out and moves across the $11 range, it could really start to move. Top of the channel, the way I have it measured, is 14.5, 15. Mankind has been acting very well lately, MNKD. Broke out of the 3-month apex of coil apex and then started to move. Mini flag, broke out of that, followed through today, another 39 cents. This one looks like it could start to accelerate, maybe get up to 12, 12.5. Nice move today on ONTY as it popped out of this 1-month or 5-week narrow congestion range on heavy volume. After this mini 4-day flag in here, today's action was very bullish, and a test of the 785 area or so, 790, could take place shortly. A move through that could get to the top of the channel as I have it drawn, around 11.5 range. Still really like planar. I wanted to show you how it looks here. In my mind, forming a coil and a good day's volume with some thrust through the $3 range should get it going. SVA came out of the coil today just slightly and backed off. Still up 44 cents today on a hefty 17.7 million shares. We need to extend this and retest the 12.5 range. If we break through that, we can see additional gains for that. VVUS, I wanted to show you the big gap and then the 5-day flag that's setting up as volume dwindles, with technicals holding up very well. I expect this to make another move and get up to test 15 range at some point. And lastly is WPRT, also a current portfolio position in a rising flag type configuration. Really like the way this one looks. I expect to break out and move up to the 14 plus range shortly. That's it for today. There's some good ideas for you. We'll see how it goes. Hello again, everybody. It's